Hello, and greetings from 9 Bravo, Idaho. So this summer, I found myself on a mountaintop up at about 7,000 feet with some beautiful scenery and a bike that would not stay running when you put the kickstand switch down. So I'm sure most of you know most modern bikes have a neutral safety switch, actually several of them. In this case, long story short, the problem with my bike was the kickstand switch was damaged, and this wire right here runs down. And actually, I've already taken it apart, and I didn't think to film when I was doing the repair up there. I just wanted to get down. But anyway, this plug plugs into the rest of the wiring harness here. This wire runs down to the kickstand area where the kickstand safety switch is. In order to get down off the mountain, what I did was cut this wire and remove the casing. I twisted these two wires together. Hopefully you've got some electrical tape with you. So I taped these wires up. I taped this up to keep dirt out of it. Plugged this back in to the connector, and this effectively bypasses the kickstand safety switch. I have not yet replaced this switch. The switch is about $100, and it's up to you what you do with that. I would certainly recommend that you replace it. It's part of the safety system on the motorcycle. That said, the only bike I've ever owned that didn't have problems with the kickstand safety switch was the 2001 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail that I had. And they're, like I said, they're part of the safety system. You should have it on your bike. I will probably replace this eventually, but if you're careful, you should be able to at least make it home this way without having to get somebody to come up to the top of the mountain and repair your bike or load it up and take it down.